And welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cache app not working, not opening, and the operation could not be completed. If you face this type of error on cache app, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen, go back and open your iPhone and iPad setting and click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 second you have turn it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode at least the 30 second you have turn it off, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on journal, scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone, then click on reset network setting, enter your passcode, and after that click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and click on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on this toggle set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that go back, scroll down and click on VPN and device management, and from here if you connect any one VPN, what you need to do it, disconnect, and after that go back, scroll down and click on software update, and from here you make sure that update your iPhone and iPad. After update your iPhone and iPad, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back your home screen and open your app store, and from here you search for this cache app, click on cache app, click on this, and from here you make sure that update your cache app. After update your cache app, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and long press on cache app. What you need to do it, uninstall, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.